Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this XOXNAILS ombre look that I've done, and we are using triple vitamin base coat, snow kissed, and Sleigh all day. So for today's look, we're going to be using the tapping method, and the tapping method is basically where you just take your brush and you dip into the powder and then you just tap on one side and then you do the same thing again on the other side with the other color. I personally like to use the tapping method with shimmers. I find that they come out more pigmented than they would if you were to do clear and then scrub. So I am showing you guys how I do the tap method. Okay, so let's just hop right in. I'm going to take the first color, which is Sleigh all day, and I'm just going to focus this on this one side. And I'm gradually bringing it more towards the middle, but I'm also trying to be really careful not to spread it over too far. Now we are going in with our blue shade, and this is Snow Kissed. I'm just going to do the same thing that I did on the other side on this side now. And I'm going to let you guys watch through for a little bit because it does get a little repetitive, so I will be back in a little bit. Okay, I'm back. Here is how the nails are looking right now. We're going to take our manicure brush and just wipe off any of the extra dip powder that might be on our nails, and then we will be ready for our second layer. Okay, so this time we're going to start with our opposite color, and this is just to ensure that we have that perfect ombre look. Switching back and forth between the different colors is really going to help achieve that nice fade that you're looking for. Okay, back to the video, and I will see you guys in a little bit. hopping into Solidify, and I'm using this one from Sparkle & Co. And we're going to let this sit on the nails for 2 minutes, and then we will get into shaping and filing. I'm using my trusty Beauty Secrets 180 grit file, and we're going to just go right in. I'm going to let you guys watch this through, as this is an extended shaping video. It's going to show you absolutely everything that I do when I shape and file and buff and all that good stuff, and then the video will be practically over after that. So I will see you guys in a second, and I hope you have enjoyed the video so far. here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be on the lookout for new videos coming soon. Bye guys.